Okay, it is time to start building, and I have a TLDW for you. What's a TLDW? Too long didn't watch. That's right, that's a dad joke. TLDW is you can go to the GitHub repo in the link in this video and find an exact implementation that will solve this all for you. Now, it's a basic bare bones infrastructure implementation using, as we said, AWS and Couchbase, but it's enough, a skeleton that you can build out to do what you need to do. So go follow that link, follow it, and implement it based on that skeleton implementation for what your needs are. Now, we'll talk about exactly the flow of that code example in that GitHub repo in the next video. But for now, that's your special surprise, your TLDW. Follow that link and get to the code that you need that will solve your problem for you.